All right, so problem 6, the last free response question from the 2013 AP Calculus Practice Exam. We have a function where we're told f of 2 equals -8, and all the points x, y on the graph of f have this slope. So the slope given by this expression, 3x squared over y. You gotta write the equation of the line tangent to the graph of f at the point where x equals 2 and use it to approximate f of 1.8. Okay, first find the equation of the tangent line, and then use it to find that point. Okay, so using this as our slope, let's set up a y equals, mx, but let's put that as our m. Y equals mx plus b, just, back in the middle school days, going back to there. Y equals mx plus b. We're going to need to solve for the y-intercept, and we're going to use the fact that it goes through this point to -8 to do that. So we said -8 equal to 2 squared times 3, so 12 over -8 times 2 plus b. So we got a 224 over -8, so we got -3 there. So then it looks like b is going to be -5. And so then y will be equal to, in this case, will be what's 12 over -8 is going to be 3 over -2. I don't know why that took me so long, but hey, I guess I can have off days too. Anyways, y equals -3/2 x plus -5, or just -5. Okay, so here's our equation. And to use it, you simply plug in the 1.8 for x and then evaluate. So we're going to evaluate it for x equals negative, or x equals 1.8. So we'll have 3/2, or -3/2 times 1.8 plus 5, or -5. I really am freaking out. Okay, so 3/2, so 1.5, 1.5 times 18, so 27, -2 point, no, -2.7. -2.7 minus 5 will get -7.7. All right, and that's our answer. Yep, that's our answer. All right, last part B. Find an expression for y equals f of x by solving the differential equation dy dx equals 3x squared over y with the initial condition f of 2 equals -8. I mean, I like these types of problems. Some students, I think, struggle with them because they overthink it. Just don't overthink it. Just don't. It's just, you just follow my example. So we're going to basically integrate this by first separating the variables. So dy is on the left, dx is on the left, so x is on the right, y is on the left. So we're going to have y dy equals 3x squared dx. And then we integrate. We throw integration symbols. That'll just be y squared over 2 3x cubed over 3. Those 3's cancel, so we just get x cubed plus c, or let's call it c1. Let's solve for the y. Multiply everything by 2. We'll get y squared equals 2x cubed plus 2 times c1, which will just make it a different constant, so we'll just call it c2. Now we solve for y here by square rooting it. Okay, so y will be the square root 2x cubed plus c2. So again, we're not given the, well, this is what we're going to do next. We're pretty much done except for this one technicality, because we don't know if it's going to be positive or negative, which again, it's a weird technicality, but this is where we can use this fact that it goes through this point to solve for the correct C2 and for the correct positive or negative square root. Now, it says that y is -8, and then x is going to be 2, so we're going to have -8 equals the square root of 2 times 2 squared, or 2 times 2 cubed, plus C2. So -8 equals 2 cubed, 2, 4, 8 times 2, 16, plus C2, so plus 48. And now I just reevaluating, so we'll have -8 equals the square root of 16 plus c squared, or the square root of 64. And we know the square root of 64 can't be negative, so then we put that negative on the right side, because 8 can be equal to the negative square root of 64. But again, we have now our equation, y equals, we put the 48 for the, the 48 for the C2 there. So y equals the negative square, what is going on with this pencil? The negative square root of 2x cubed, 2x cubed plus 48. All right, there you go. So I hope that helps. Again, any questions, feedback, please leave me all of that in the comments, or you can even message me. I don't care. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know if there's something confusing, and let me know if I'm doing good. That's also great. So leave a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you guys again in the next video.